What kind of car is this? That was smooth, man. That's how you gotta do it, man. I'm pulling up.
I can feel like 80 rats in my Marys. Me and Drizzy back to back is getting scary. If you fucking with my eyes, just don't come near me. Get out my way. Put some bins all on your head like Justin Terry. Whoa. Richard Millie cuss a Lambo. Known to keep.
Yeah, boy. I'm out here early today, man. Hey, I got my cousin coming out. We about to just be lurking today, man. I'm gonna be getting into a few things. I'm gonna be Postmates. I'm gonna be doing a few things, man. But first things first, I have to go to Cycle Gear and get the attachment that I broke off in my heater jacket, boy, because I need that. Hey, y'all, do y'all got Cycle Gears where y'all live at? Because, I mean, I don't know how worldwide Cycle Gear is. I know there's not too many of them. But, man, if y'all got a Cycle Gear near y'all, man, y'all need to definitely hit that up. Because a few bikers be telling me they have never even heard of Cycle Gear. And I don't even know how that's possible, to be honest, man. If you a biker, how you haven't heard of Cycle Gear, man? That's crazy. Cycle, I feel like that's like the only bike store they got. Yeah, so I just got my new attachment for my heater jacket. So we back on and ready, man. But hey, my girl wanted some Starbucks, so I had my Postmates app on. So it's funny that I actually got a Starbucks job, so I accepted it so I could just get her drink and kill a job out at the same time. Alright, y'all, so I got 2 drinks in the bag, 2 Starbucks. Oh, it's leaning. Make sure that's straight. There we go. 2 drinks in there like that. It's only a mile. That ain't nothing. Let's check the drinks out. Make sure it's cool. Oh, perfect. I got another delivery too, but I gotta drop my girl's drink off first. Should be extra mad. Whenever I got drinks, I like to keep making frequent, occasional checks, you know what I'm saying? It's looking good. I forgot this is why I love the bikes, man. I could literally park anywhere, bruh. I love it. I could not do this in the car, bro, I swear. Obviously. Alright, y'all, so I just delivered to this lady right here for the first delivery of the day. Let me see, after that delivery, it was $4, so I started with about $4 today, so now I'm at $8.26, y'all. But right now I got another easy delivery. It's Chipotle, and that's real easy to carry too, so I'm not even tripping, man. I went home and dropped the coffee off to my girl, and I had to get back out here because it's too easy right now. I'm too happy I'm back on the bike. I know I keep saying this, but there's nothing like not really wasting no gas and doing deliveries. And my plan, y'all, is to get another bike so I can get this bike track ready and keep it at the house, and then get me a Honda or something I can just do deliveries and just be wild on, man. That's my goal, y'all. Remember, I got a new engine on this. I only got 8,000 miles on this, so I'm not tripping at all. I would help, but I got food. Okay, so another delivery to Chipotle. I'm not tripping. Alright, just about to give me some food too. I'm not about to get started on these trucks right here in front of me, man. These trucks, I'm not even about to get started on them, man. Let's get it, y'all. Just picked up the other Chipotle order, going 2.5 miles, and already got another job stacked on top ready, man. Let's get it, man. Now they delivered my barbecue job right when I was mentioning it. Isn't that stupid? That's dumb. That's dumb. I hate when they just be canceling deliveries, man. That's crazy. It's all good though. Let me knock down this 2.6 mile delivery. I'm really moving down this street, man. No time being wasted. Oh, they gotta fix these streets, man, over here. That was smooth, man. That's how you gotta do it, man. I'm pulling up right here too, man. I had a feeling it was right here. Alright. I gotta go in that door. It looks like they're trying to come out that door right now. Postmates, hi. Thank you. I love when they come to the door perfect and ready. Make it quick on me. Hi. Have a good one. Thanks. I keep trying to do things. I'm trying to get some food for myself, but deliveries keep going on, man. I'm not complaining though. It's actually getting hot right now, bro. I'm about to have to take this inner jacket off. Throw it in my backpack. Quick right. Nobody coming. Okay. Hey, yo, watch the gravel. Hey. So, let's see where I am after these 3 jobs. Hey, I have no idea even when I started, y'all, to be honest. Like I said, I'm not going for time, but it's still morning, man. It's crazy. And now it's 4:60. Good. So let's see how much I'm at. 24.82. Not bad. I made a dub already. That's not bad. For the people who didn't do Postmates, I'm letting you guys know that it's same day payouts. Now I can get my real food. Oh, I should just keep going straight. There's too much traffic over there. Look at the decision making I can do on a young bike, man. Yo, I'm done, bro. As soon as I pull up to McDonald's, bro, I get a job every time, bro. This is like the perfect spot to go or something. I swear. It's funny. I haven't needed the GPS for any job yet. Alright, where am I gonna park? What kind of car is this? I'm not even gonna front, man. I've seen that, man. Seen this before, man. But I get mad every single time I look at it, bro. Doing way too much, bro. Doing way too much to that car, man. Hi. Here you go. Have a good one. Thank you. Bro, I couldn't even hear at all. My music was on so loud.
Hey, hey.